Namaskar. Thanks for attending the class. Today we will see some of the yogas and how to use it in clinical practice. Those who have attended my class earlier would have understood the fundamentals of Guna Siddhanta. As a lot of new students are going to hear, I am rewinding those ideas and going to give you a background because it's a series of classes we are planning. The fundamentals are strong, then understanding will be strong. When we say Arogyam or health in Guna Siddhanta, we call it Shida Snigdham Agneyam. This is a wonderful concept. Gridam is Shidam Snigdham, but Agni Bala Vardam. Hemanta Rutu is Shida Snigdham, but Agneyam. Maximum appetite is seen, Balam is seen, Uttama Balam is seen. Madhura Puru Snigdha Aharas are given. Ojas is Shida Snigdham Agneyam. Tejo Yesarvadaduna Somatma. This is called Swastha, Sway Tishtati, Arogasya Bhava. Gridam is a wonderful drug for human being to solve physical problem and the mental problem. It is samskarasya anuvartam. When a drug, when mixed with other drugs, should not lose its property, at the same time adhere the property of the things to which it is added and get enhanced. Vishwa Lakshana Gunaha. Everything in the universe is Guna only. Guna is defined as the entity which resides in Dravya. Guna cannot perform any karma independent of Dravya. Now, Saumya Agneyam Jagat. Shidam and Ushnam are the basic gunas. If you do take Tatara Ruksho Lagu Shida, Kara Sukshma Shalanilaha, Tatara Ruksho Lagu Shida, if you put the opposite, it becomes the therapy for Vayu. Ruksham is the Pratyatma Niyada Guna of Vayu. Because Pittam is Snigdham, Kapam is Snigdham, Ruksha is the unique quality of Vayu. Tikshna Ushna is the unique quality of Pitta. Guru Mandal is the unique quality of Kapha. Women are considered as Agni, men are considered as Soma, testosterone and estrogen, Shukram and Artava. Ushna Guna is Agni Bhuyishta, Shida Guna is Soma Bhuyishta. Ushnam is Kapavada Samana, Shidam is Pitta Samana. Ushnam is Swedanam and Grahi, Shidam is Stambana. Ushnam is Langana, Shidam is Brahmana. Amla Lavana Kadu Ushnam, Madhura Ditta Kashayam Shidam. Amla Lavana Kadu are Ushna. Madhura Ditta Kashayam, that is Pitta Samana. So naturally they are Sida Virya, Kevala Pittam, Tiktam, Kafana Bandha Pittam, Kashayam, Vadana Bandha Pittam, Madhuram. Kevala Pittam, Jwaram, Puduchiyadi, Kafana Bandha Pittam, विचर्चिका आरग्वदादि वादानुबंध वित्तम परिणामशूल विधार्यादि द्राक्षादि. So already we have heard so many times. For vadam, maduram lalamanam is there. Pittam, tikta kashaya, maduram is there. Kadadikta kashayam is there for kapha. For vada pittam, maduram is there. Pitta kapam, tikta kashayam is there. For vada kapam, there is no rasa, there is only virya because vadam is shita, kapam is shita. Vadam is ruksha shita, kapam is snigdha shita, vadam is avadarpana shita, kapam is sandarpana shita. This is the fundamental principle. You should be thorough in all these things. There is nothing wrong in hearing it again and again because this is the base by which you assess the yogas and apply it in practice. It's very important. Now, Guru and Lagu, another two gunas. Guru manifests as obesity, metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes mellitus, myxedema, gout. All Guru Guna Vriddhi. That's why we do Parasanadi Kashayam, Udvartanam, Ayaskriti, all Lagu Guna Yukta, Rukshana, Staulyakara, Ushadas. Obesity. Obesity is there. It's a Guru Guna. Obesity is a big problem. Parasanadi Kashayam, Pridangaya Valogadi Jurnam. Metabolic syndrome. The Kapha Pramegam comes under pre-diabetic. Pitta Pramegam, diabetic, Vada Pramegam, complications of diabetes. This is what my beloved friend Dr. Prakash Mangaleseri sir has taught me. Type 2 diabetes mellitus. Myxedema is a endocrinal emergency in hypothyroidism. Gout. Gout is produced by alcohol, meat intake, diabetes, obesity, certain foods which contains chlorine. All. So, Lagu, hyperthyroidism, hyperhidrosis, weight loss, insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, hyperparathyroidism. I always tell when I talk about hormones as expressions of Dhatu Agni, I have talked before that insulin is kapha and glucagon is pitta and stomatostatin is vata. If you hear me, I am talking something modern. But if you read both the book thoroughly, you will get a vision of understanding. And you will be, if you are able to correlate everything as Vata Pitta Kapha, you should be able to correlate hormones also. See them. Angina pectoris. Heart attack comes in cold weather. Raynaud's phenomenon, blue color. If you dip the hand in the cold water, the color will change. Influenza. Bell's palsy. They will be going by bus, sitting in the corner of the seat, and they get Bell's palsy. Acute coronary syndrome, chills and rigor. In Ushnam, hyperpyrexia, erythema nodosum. You can see in rheumatic fever and many mixed connective tissue disorders. Hyperuricemia, conjunctivitis, oral ulcers. Stress can produce, vitamin B12 can produce, peptic ulcer can produce, duodenitis and autoimmune ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. They are the manifestation of Ushna. Now Snigdham. Snigdham is an important guna. Sneha saroyam purushaka pranasya sneha bhuvishta sneha sadhyasya bhavanti. Pittam is Snigdham, kapam is Snigdham, rasam, raktam, mamsam, medas, madhya, shukram, Svedam, Malam, Mutram, all are Snigdha except Asti Dhatu, everything is Snigdha, that is why it's Snehasaroyam Purushaka. Everything is Snigdha. It is a Snigdha that is the target for treatment and Shodhana and Shamana. Snigdham hypercholesteremia, Hodgkin's lymphoma, atherosclerosis, fatty liver. When Kapha Pradhani Ekritulogam comes, you have fatty liver. So you will be giving Kadurasa Pradhanya Ushada Ekrit Visesha, Tippali. Then it becomes Pitta Pradhanya Ekrit Roga, hepatitis. You will be giving Tiktarasa, Vasa Guduchari. When it becomes fibrosis, you will be giving Vada Pradhanya Ekrit Roga Gara Ushadas. That is Madhanam Then Stratoria, Kafagrahani. You will be giving Kaidariyadi Kashayam with Vilvadi Uliga, Pada Karanjadi Kashayam, Musta Karandadi Kashayam, Dadimashtakam, Kabitashtakam, etc. Then chronic pancreatitis, diabetes can produce, gallstone can produce, alcohol can produce, anti-diabetic medications can produce. Then Ruksham, Sjögren syndrome, it's a form of autoimmune rheumatoid where eyes will be dry, mouth will be dry, private parts will be dry, dry eye syndrome, memory loss. When Snega Guna decreased in the Shiras, because Mastulunga Sadrisham Gridam, Gridam resembles the brain cortex, myelin, and all the Aushadas told in Manovya Vigaras are Gridas only, not even a single Kashayam is told in Manoroga. Only two Kashayam, Brahmi Drakshadi came in Madhya in very later period, and Samchya Stavanagana. People are making Kalyanaka Grida Yoga into Kashaya. But all the Gridas, around 20 Gridas, Mahadiktagam, Panchagaviyam, Kalyanakam, Mahakalyanakam, Chedasam, Mahachedasam, Ashtadasa Pushmanda Gridam, Hindu Savarachaladi Gridam, Lashunadi Gridam. Modern medicine say anything which is fat soluble can cross blood-brain barrier. So we say Medyam. Medyam belongs to Tikta Skanda. But you have Madhurarasam Medyam and Tikta Rasam Medyam. Madhurarasam Medyam is Vadavitta Samanam. Tikta Rasam Medyam is Pitta Kapha Samanam. Madhurarasam Medyam Gridam. Tikta Rasam Medyam Brahmi. So constipation. So again Ruksha Vriddhi. Osteoarthritis, that is why we give Thylasnegavanam in osteoarthritis because of Ruksha Vriddhi. Osteoporosis, Tiktarasena Kshiragradadabeshanam, you will be giving that. Then Mandam and Tikshnam. Mandam is the quality of Kapha, delayed milestone, mental retardation, cognition deficit disorder, AV block. Vada Pradhanya Hridrogam, you have atrial fibrillation, premature atrial contraction, premature ventricular contraction, irregular heart rhythm, where you will be giving Stiramula Kshira Kashayam, Vidaryadi Kashayam, Pushpanda Rasayana, all Madhuram Hridyam, Pittaja Hridrogas, endocarditis recovery, you will be giving Pushpanda Rasayanam, Pravada Vrishti, Prabhakaravadi, Kaphaja atherosclerosis, coronary artery disease. You will be giving Kadurasam Hridyam, Dippali, Varnadi, Hingojadi, Vaja, Lasuna, Rudraksha, Gomutra, etc. So LV dysfunction, ejection fraction should be greater than 50. Gastroparesis, that is called Mudavadam. In diabetes, gastroparesis is seen. Some drugs produce that. Hypothyroidism, Mandam, where you will be giving Kadurasa, Kaphavadagara, Ushna Ushadas like Varunadi, Yagani Ganam, Kanjanara Gukuru, Trivara Gukuru, Kakamaji Jurnam, Shirovrejini Gananasyam, etc. To remove the Mandala, Tikshnam, Pittam Vidaktam Sogunagi, Vidagatyasa Shonidam, autoimmune disorders, Dhadubhagam, autoimmune neuropathies, demyelination, burns and ulcers. Then Shila Guna. Vadam is Shidam, Kapham is Shidam, already I told. Vadam is Ruksha Shidam, Kapham is Snigdha Shidam, Vadam is Avadarpana Shidam, Kapham is Sandarpana Shidam, Vadam is Kshayajanya Shidam, Avaranam is Kapham is Avarana Shidam, Varsha Shidam, Kapham is Hemanta Shidam, Vidaryadi, Madhurarasam Shidam, Nimbadi, Tiktarasam Shidam. Balai is Vadagaram, Rasna is Vadagaram. Balai is Madhurarasam, Madhuravagam. Shida Viriam, Snigdha Gunam, Vadavitta Samanam. Rasna is also Vadagaram. Tiktarasam, Rushna Viriam, Kaphavadagaram, Ruksham. Kaphanandavadam, Stuladeyi, Navavasta, Rasna. Madhurarasam, Vadanavandam, Chayavasta, Puranavasta, Balai. If you take the Ashtavargam, Bala alone is Vadavitta Samana. Saradaram, Yarandam, Sundi, Rasna, Surudramam, Sindhuvaram, Lachuna, all Vadakafagara. So like this you have to differentiate Vadakafagara Ushadas and Vadavittagana Ushadas. Vidaryadi is Vadagaram, Maharasnadi is Vadagaram, but this is Vadavitta Samanam, that is Vadakava Samanam. Then Chala and Sara. Chale Vale, Chale Chittam, Nischale, Nischalam Bhave. Asamsayam ki Mahabhaho, Mano Durnigraham Chalam. Chalam movement. People say, Manji, the respiratory rate is 32. Respiratory rate of human being is 16. Respiratory rate of elephant is around 8. Respiratory rate of tortoise is 3. So slower the respiratory rate, calm the person you are, you will become calm and tortoise lives for long years. Vadam is Karat Chalam. Pittam is Snigdha Chalam. Vadam is energy and thought. Pittam is matter. Adisaranam, Adhyantara Saranam, Buddha Marga, Bhagudrava Saranam. Psychoneuroendocrinal pathways, neurotransmission, Vada. Motility issue, intestinal motility, Saraguna. Caffeine tea or Kara. Trivrit is Sara. Lagu. Vada Lagu, Pitta Lagu. Vadam is Ruksha Lagu. Pittam Snigdha Lagu. Ruksha Lagu is Takram. Snigdha Lagu is Gridam. Already you would have heard this example told by my Guru M.R. Vasudeva Nambudiri. Dadi is the Yoni. We select Grida. Grida comes from that. Takram comes from that. One is Snigdha, another one is Ruksha. Takram is the antidote for Grida. So Takram, Arishtam, Asavam, Gomutram, Gugulu, Chitragam, Kodravam, Shamagam, Triphala, all are given in Sneha Adi Yoga Vyabhat. All these things can be given in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. So fatty liver disease is a self-created Sneha Vyabhat. So Pittam, Snigdha Lagu, Gridam, Snigdam, Pitta Snigdam, Kapha Snigdam. Pittam is Ushna Snigdam, Kapha is Shila Snigdam. Pittam is unsaturated. Kapha is saturated. In room temperature it will not become solid, that is unsaturated. In room temperature it will become saturated, solid, that is Shila Snigdam. Pasandam Ushna Snigdam. Ushna Snigdam is Abhishyandi. Dadi is Abhishyandi, Masham is Abhishyandi, Tilam is Abhishyandi, Tiladailam Ushna Snigdam. Pasanta Rudu is Abhishyandi. Hemanta Snigdam. Tiladailam and Gridam. Tiladailam Kapavadagaram, Gridam Vadavittagaram. So in the chapter from Ashtanga Hridaya, Jwara to Vadarakta, the 6 gunas are converted into Shadvida Upakramas by Charaka, which are converted into Divida Upakramas, Langana and Brahmana, Lagu and Guru by Vapada. The 6 gunas manifest as Shad Rudus. Whether the change happen outside the body, we can have extended summer, Sharad is less, Vasantam is less, Hemantam and Shishiram are mingled. But every 4 hours into 6 hours, 6 into 4, 24. The Ridus change happen within our body in the form of 6 gunas. So the Hemantam, already I told you, Shida Snigdam, Agneyam, in Shishiram it becomes Adishida Snigdam. Vasandam, Ushna Snigdam, Grishmam, Ushna Ruksham, Varsham, Shida Ruksham, Sharad, Ushna Tikshnam. In Shida Snigdam, Agneyam, if there is Amavastha, Mandada, you have Jwaradikisa in the first chapter. Ushna Tishnam, Dadavagam, Vijurnidam, Kodam, all these happen in the last chapter of Vadarakta. Dadavaga, that is Ushna Tishna, Charadurdu. After Vadarakta, there is no chapter. There is no Dosha Pratiniga Chikisa. Nambudiri used to say, Labhopayogi Shastanam Rasadinam Rasayanam, not Doshadinam Rasayanam, because Doshadi Chikisa ends with Vadarakta. So you should be thorough in all these gunas. Now we will come to karma vivechana, Deepanam and Pajanam. Deepanam can be adravya, upavasam. Pajanam is dravya. Deepanam, Agni Deepanam. Pajanam, Amapajanam, Malapajanam. Malam is Pittam and Kapam. Pittapajanam, Kapapajanam. Deepanam, Ruksha Deepanam, Snigdha Deepanam. Pajanam is only Ruksham. Agni Deepanam. Snigdha Deepanam. Gridam. Ruksha Deepanam, Shatapushpam. Shitapajanam, Musta. Ushnapajanam, Chitranam. Snehameva Paramvidya, Durbala Anala Deepanam. Vyali Muktasya Mandagano, Sarpireva Deepanam. So Gridam Deepanam. Pajanam is always Ruksha. Grahi and Stambana. Kadurasam is Grahi. Kashaya Rasam is Stambana. Grahi is Ushnavirya. Stambanam is Shidavirya. Ashtachurnam is Grahi. Pushyanagam is Stambanam. In irritable bowel syndrome we give Grahi. In dysfunctional uterine bleeding we give Stambanam. Adamalla says Ushna Grahi, Ushna Sangrahi, Grahi, Shida Sangrahi, Stambanam. Sofaganam and Mutralam, they are different. Sofaganam is Tiktarasam, Mutralam is Madhura Tiktarasam. Sofaganam wide applicability, Mutralam relative usage. Sofaganam we give in left ventricular hypertrophy, Mutralam in UTA. Punarnava Dasamulam or Sofaganam. Gotshura, Trinapanjamulam or Mutrala Daya, Madhurasa, Madhura Sidavirya, Snitavana. Madhura increases, Kleda increases, Kapha increases, Mutram increases. Sofaganam is not like that. Punarnavadi is Sofaganam. Gokshura is Mutralam. Where to give a Sofaganam and where to give a Mutralam? Suppose you get a renal failure case. Creatinine is high, hemoglobin is low, urea is high, phosphorus phosphates are high, parathormone is high, diabetic hypertensive lupus are drug induced. If there is anuria, if you give Madhura Rasa Aushadas, more urine will be produced. He will not be able to eliminate already the existing urine. How will he eliminate the new urine? There. So there you have to do one margam of Malasuddhi is affected, you have to go to the other marga. So you have to incorporate Rudra Chikitsa, Shoka Chikitsa, Panta Chikitsa, etc. And Nityameva Virejayed. Narayana Churnam you have to give. Patoladi you have to give. You have to eliminate the mala through motion. Through sweat, one mala is eliminated, pitta. Through mutra, two malas are eliminated, mutra and that is pitta and kapha. Through motion, three malas are eliminated. Swedam, pittam, vadam, kapham. That is why Virejanam is superior. In Siddha tradition, they give single sodhana, Virejana. But if somebody is having polyuric renal failure, everything is high, normal urine output greater than 1.2 liters. You can go for Gokshura, Sadavari, Bala, Trinapanjamula, Madhura Rasa, no problem will come. So where to select a Sofakna, where to select a Mutrala Ushada is practically very interesting and very challenging. You should live with a master who does it. Then Brahmana and Langana. Brahmana can be Shida Brahmana, Ushna Brahmana. Langana is Ushna only. Sodana Langana, Shamana Langana. Guru Snigdha Manda Stira Guna Pradanya, Brahmana. Langana Lagu Ruksha Tishna Saraguna Pradanya. Brahmana Kaha Pradanya, Langana Vanaditta Pradanya. Brahmana in Purana Avastha, Langana in Ama Avastha. Brahmanam and Rasayanam go together. Langanam and Shodhana go together. In osteoporosis, Brahmana. In atherosclerosis, Langana. With this introduction, we will see the yogas. Koshtam, Rogamargam. Kashayam is Chiravilvari. Rogam, Sushka Arshas. Modern correlation, non-bleeding hemorrhoids, proctalgia fugax. Shaga, Balaguluchiadi, Udaradam. The site in which it acts, site of action, receptors. Pseudogout and SLE. Madhyama Rogamarkam, Dhananayanadi, Ardidam. Bell's palsy, trigeminal neuralgia, stroke due to infarct. Now Koshta Shaga, Koshtam and Shaga, working on Koshtam and Shaga together. Amrita Shadanga, Visarpam, Bahyam Abhyantaram, vesiculobullous lesions, Phimbigus vulgaris. Shaga Madhyamam, Guguliditharangashaya, Grithrazi, sciatica, demyelination, carotid atherosclerosis, TAO. Koshta Madhyamam, Varunadi, Amrudottaram, Sanibada Arbudam, Koshtam Madhyamam, intestinal TA with brain metastasis, Hridayam Vastishiras, Snayasira Gandaraga, Astisandiseri, Madhyama Rogamargaga, Madhyamam and Koshtam, Varunadi, works on Koshta and in Shiras. Now, Dhananayana Kashayam, Dhananayana means Kuberaksham, Kadar Chikkai in Tamil. Some people use the root, some people use the seed. It is a Kadurasa, Kaduvibaga, Ushna Virya, Kafanubandha Vadagara, Kapavadagara, Ruksha, Ushna, Legana, Avaranagana in nature. So it is a Kapavadagara Ushadas. You should know that. You should be giving then what are all the Kapavadagara Vyadis, the Palasuvi is Pakshagadam Ardidam. Ardidam according to Susruta is Bell's palsy. According to Charaka is ipsilateral palsy with contralateral hemiplegia with involvement of many cranial nerves. Charaka's Ardidam, we can talk about 2 hours about the neurological significance of the description. Bell's palsy, Kapavadam, Vadakapam, convulsion, akinetic seizures, petit mal seizures. Tonic-clonic seizures comes under Vada Vasmara. You will be giving Kalyana Viradam. Temporal lobe epilepsy comes under Pitta Vasmara. You will be giving Ashtadasha Kushmanda Viradam. Akinetic seizures, petit mal seizures comes under Kapasmara. You will be giving Panchagavim, Mahat Panchagavim, Lasunani, Hindu Savarchalari Viradam. Trigeminal neuralgia, tic tolerax. Anandavadam, Dhananayana, Ashtavarkam, Lesonani, Kalyanagam, all Vadakapagara in nature. Sthani dosham is Kapam, Magandava dosham is Vayu, Sthani dosham is Sheelam, Magandava dosham is Sheelam, Shide Sheela Pradigaraga, Ushneja Ushna Nivaranam. You have to select Kadurasa Ushada, Ushna Virya, Kapavadagara in nature. Bharagyadi you can select, Ashtavarkam you can select, Resonadi you can select. Dhananayana you can select, you cannot select Dhanandaram, you cannot select Vidaryadi there. In the first phase, stroke infarction, Vadakapam, hemorrhage is Pitta Vada, myoclonus, nocturnal myoclonus, hypnic jerk, sudden jerk will come while you are sleeping, cervical dystonia, spasmodic torticollis, Parkinson's disease, titubation, tremor of the head due to vermis degeneration of the cerebellum, cerebellar ataxia. Chorea will come in diabetes, not only in rheumatic arthritis. Restless leg syndrome, periodic limb movement disorder, 60 ml 2 times a day. And all Kashayas came after 14th century. Because in Vadavyadi there are only 2 Kashayas, only Sagadaradi is told in Urustambam. Urustambam is not a classical Vadavyadi, even though it is told in Anatmada Vadavyadi, Badadarvadi is told in Akshevaka. But many Thailas are told in the Vadavyadi. Vadavyadi main medicine is Thailam, Kashayam, so you have to do Prakshepam as Thailam. Then Gugguladikta Kashayam, Gugguladikta Yoga is converted into Kashaya, Ashtangadiyam Vadavyadi. Tiktakadarasam, Ushnaviriyam, Kapavadagaram, Medo, Varam, Ruksham, Guru. Asti Majja Visheshatvam, Kushtakram, Urdu Jatra Visheshatvam. Varunadi is Lagu, Gugguladikta is Guru. The first line of Gupladiktam, Nimbamala Rashodola Nidithigana, is Panchadiktam. Panchadiktam plus Triphala is Nimbadi. It contains Balladam. Any drug which contains Balladam, you should not give Ushna Jala. Gupladiktam, Dhanandaram, Sattasamaguliga, Narasimham, Bhavashalam, Kangayanam. Many medicines which contain Balladam, you should be very careful. Idivalladi. Gupladiktam Kashayam in ENT. Sinus headache, nasal polyp. You see all Kaphavada only I have written. Neurology, trigeminal neuralgia, multiple myeloma, bone pain, fracture, above 70 years, male. Check ESR is high. Check serum electrophoresis for M band and Ben Jones protein, which may not be positive in many cases. Multiple myeloma, plasma cell cancer. Gupladiktam. You have to prepare Gupladiktam properly. If you should add a Balladam, you should not add a Chitragam. If you give Gupladiktam, at least 1 in 10 cases you get an adverse drug reaction. Then only that means that the Gupladiktam is prepared properly. Rheumatoid group of disorders, rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, dermatology, chronic skin diseases, alopecia, palmoplantar psoriasis, etc. Wounds and ulcers, neoplasm, fibroadenoma. Gugulu, Prakshepam, based on the avastha, you will be selecting the Gugulu. Most of the Gugulus are Vata Kapagara in nature. Yogaradam, Mahayogaradam, Simhanadam, Abha, Trayodasangam. All these Gugulus are Vata Kapagara in nature. Vata Pitta Gugulu is very less. Kaisora Gugulu. Amrudadi up to some extent, Gokshuradi up to some extent, Triphaladi up to some extent. Most of the Gugulus are Vata Kapagara in nature because Gugulu is Medavadam Kapharam. That's the base in which you add other drugs and make a medicine. A Kana can be converted into Daila and Arishta, but rarely a Yogam is converted into another Kalpana. But respectable doctors of Kerala, Vaidyas, done it, but it is debatable. Balladam is the ingredient. You should think about that. It is immunosuppressant. It is a Guru Yoga. It is avoided in weak person, children, pregnancy and for long-term use. Nayopayam Kashayam, Madhurarasam Kadu, Samasridoshnam, Vadanulomanam, Agrijeevanam, Balyam. One of the best medicines in Ayurveda. Bala 6 parts, Jeeragam 4 parts, Shuddhi 2 parts. Simple yoga, but very, very, very effective yoga. There are a lot of interpretation. What is Nayam? According to Vachaspatya Mandal. Ayanam, Uttarayanam, Dakshinayanam. So how this calculation came? 6, 4, 2. There is a poetic description and calculation. So Nayavayam is given in Sushka Gasam. In Sushka Gasam, Madhurasa Pradhanya Aushadas are selected. Vidaryadi is selected, Nayavayam is selected, Siddhovaladi is selected, Kushmandam is selected, Shamanaprasam is selected. But in productive crop they are not selected. Productive crop, the Samula Vidatrayam, Vyagradi, Vidya, Ustumbaradi, the Samula Rasayanam, Borojanadi, Kasturyadi, Vasarishtam, Kanagasam, all Kadasam, Ushnam, Kafaram, Aushadas are selected. Nocturnal dry cough, asthmatic bronchitis or LV dysfunction. Gastrointestinal, hiccup, abdominal spasm, GERD, gas spectrum with Dhanvantara Gudiga, Kasturi Gudiga, Vayu Gudiga, Prabhakaravadi, cardiopulmonary disorders, PAC, premature atrial contraction, premature ventricular contraction, extrasystole, misbeat, 2 to 3 per minute can come. If you walk, it should go. If you walk, it comes, it's a problem. It's an irregular heart rhythm disorder, very commonly seen. Modern medicine, they give beta blockers. Here we give Nayavayam with Dhanvantara Guliga. Psychological hyperventilation syndrome. Shudra Swasam. If you see this Swasam, Mahaswasam, Chinna Swasam, Tamaka Swasam, Pratama Swasam, Shudra Swasam. Cortical, medullary, respiratory with infection, hyperventilation, psychological. This is how this swasam is classified. Swasam dosham is not told, avastha is told. Raktavittam, dosham is told second, not first. So Dhanvantara Gudiga, Kasturi Gudiga, it is one of the most favorite medicine. Budujyadi Kashayam, Tiktarasam, Sidaviryam, Pittasamanam, Kapasamanam, Ruksham, Badanam, Divanam. Buduji Patmakam Arishtam, Raktasandanam, Dhanyakam. It is given in migraine headache. Vada headache is tension headache. Migraine headache is Pitta headache. Sinus headache is Kapha headache. Vada headache, Kalyana Gradam, Kshiravalla. Pitta headache, Patyakshadatri Anudelam. Kapha headache, Varunadi. Rasnadi Devam, Dhumavarti. Migraine headache. Neurology, post-viral neuropathy, burning feet syndrome. Herpes zoster, acute renal failure. Renal failure we give Guruji. Kapham is snigdam, pittam is snigdam, kapham is malam, pittam is malam. Malapajanam, mala sanchayam is the cause for renal failure. Mala sanchayam is removed by tiktarasa. So siktarasam sofakanam or tiktarasam mutralam has to be selected based on the avastha, metabolic acidosis. Viral fever, dengue recovery, leptospirosis because it will work on liver also, vomiting because of gastroesophageal reflux disease, diabetic neuropathy, sensory neuropathies, menopausal hot flashes, all Pitta Samana, Tikta Rasa, Sidavirya Prayoga. Sudarsana Vadi is added with that. Sudarsana contains Bonimbam, Anuvanam is Shilasharam, it contains lot of herbs. Patola Muladi Gashayam, Tiktarasam, Samashidoshnam, Pittasamanam, Mushtakranam, Rejanam. It's a complicated Kanaki. Patola Mulam, Aridagi, Amalagi, Viviragi, Vishalam, Indravarani. Controversially, where some people are telling Indravarani is correct. Indravarani only produce drastic purgation. Trayamanam Kadagarovini. Chronic skin diseases, pigmentation diseases, liver diseases. This is given for 6 days. The Anuvana means the food is Mamsarasam of Jampala animals and Purana Shari. In renal disease and hepatic disease and some skin disease, hypoproteinemia, hypoalbuminemia will come. So you have to do Tiktarasam Ruksha Virejanam in Pitta disease because Pittam is Snigdha in nature, so you have to supplement with proteins. Our Acharyas did not know that, but they have written Jankada Mamsa Rasam. If you cannot this as Anuvanam or food, better not to select Patola Muladi because the efficacy of Patola Muladi depends on the food you take along with that. Padola Kadarohinyadi is Ganam. It is Tiktarasam, Sidaviryam, Kapasamanam, Pittasamanam. Tiktam is Kapasamanam, Pittasamanam. Sramsanam, slight laxative, Kadagarohini is there. Madhyama Rejanam compared to Padola Muladi. The word Tiktam, Kadagarohini is selected in Shodhana. Bhunibam is selected in Shamana. Padolam, Kadarohini, Sandanam, Madhusrava, Guduji, Vadam, Vidam. In Jwaram, Bakvasta, hepatitis, hepatocellular jaundice, hepatocellular CA, eczema, vesiculobullous lesion, Fimbicus vulgaris, cellulitis fever, reflux esophagitis, anorexia, toxic condition, Pitta Samana Yoga, Kinjit Virejana, Padola Muladi 6 days, Padola Kadarohinyadi, any number of days. In liver disease, we start the treatment with Tiktarasa. After Tiktarasa, there will be Vada Prabhava. We went the treatment with Drakshadi, Mridvigadi, Madhura Rasa. So, Kashaya Tikta Madhuram Pittamanya Gurude. Padola Muladi 6 days usage is told. Padola Kadarohinyadi, no such usage is told. It is Padola Muladi is indicated in Kilasam, Grahani, Halimagam, Vastishulam, Vishamajwaram, Kushtam. Padola Kadarohinyadi, Kapavittam, Kushtam, Kapavittajwaram, etc. That is Pitta, Padola Muladi is Pitta Kapam, that is Kapavittam, like we tell for Nishakadagadi and Kadagadiradi. Pramegam, Pittakavam, Nishakadagadi, Pramegam, Kapavittam, Kadagadiradi. Like that. So this is a minute combination. Already I tell Vadavittam and Pittavadam are different, Pittakavam, Kapavittam are different, Vadakapam and Kapavadam are different in practice. Of course, overlapping will come, one or two overlapping. Rasnayarandadi Kashayam, Cheriya Rasnadi Kashayam, Sakasrayagam, Tiktam, Kinjit Kadu, Samashidoshtam, Vadakapagaram, Mutralam, Sofaganam, Shuragaram. It is given in calf muscle pain, thigh pain, gluteal pain, back pain, flank pain, Hanushulam, temporomandibular joint dismobility syndrome, Vadaraktam, Sofam, we give that. Sciatica, nerve tissues, meralgia parasthetica, numbness in the lateral aspect of the thigh, Trikam, sacroiliitis, Rasana Saptakam, Vadakapagaram, Mushtam, Sundi Prakshevam, Trigaviseshatvam. Another Trikam divide is mentioned in Rasana Yarandadi. Parshvam, dorsal spondylosis SSA, Anugraham, DMJ, it can come in RA also. Vadaraktam, it is one of the most useful Kashaya, Adivadayam, people use Yarativadayam or Muttangai. If you make it with Adivadayam, it becomes a costly medicine. Polyarthralgia, arthralgia means pain without swelling. Polymyalgia rheumatica, woman above the age of 50, come to you with shoulder pain, ESR is high. That is polymyalgia rheumatica. Gout uric acid sample is a fasting sample. Rheumatoid arthritis and palindromic rheumatism. Reactive arthritis, urethritis, followed by arthritis, diarrhea, enterococcal arthritis, Raynaud's syndrome, Buxtead's disease. Buxtead's Rasnayarandadi we will not give. More Pittanavandavada, Uduchadi we will be giving. Synovitis. Gridam and Dailam are added as Praksheva. Drakshadi Kashayam. Ashtanga Hridayam. Jwarajigissa. Maduram Kinjit Tiktam Pitta Samanam Sida Viryam Madara Vibhagam Pitta Garam Vadagaram. Himagashayam. Draksha, Eshti, Lodra, Kashmiriya, Sariva, Padmagam, Musta. Whenever Chandanam is told, Rakta Chandanam is taken. Dried Jadivali is taken, which is used for aromatic action, and honey, Sharkara, Laja powder are added. You have to prepare like this. Bottle Kashayam, how will you do all these things? So original Drakshadi, very few people practice. This is Pitta Samana Yoga. Given in alcoholic withdrawal, portal hypertension, hepatitis recovery, acid reflux, hyperacidity, gastroesophageal reflux disease, gastritis, stomatitis, hemorrhagic diseases, Vasa Guduchadi plus Drakshadi, Syncope, Drakshadi, vestibulo-bacillar insufficiency, Meniere's disease, vasovagal attacks, all we will be giving Drakshadi. Wonderful Kashaya. It can be given as like Shadaka Pani, and this can be given as Panam in summer season. Dengue fever, second stage, Drakshadi. Vertigo, chronic fatigue syndrome, non-diabetic sensory neuropathy, Drakshadi with Sidobaladi. Karapada Dagam is the Vishesha Palasudi of Sidobaladi. Post-menopausal syndrome, summer supplement, electrolyte imbalance, dehydration, insomnia are due to heat. Adisaram, Trishna are the chapter from which you can understand about electrolyte imbalance told in Ayurveda. Ushna Gunam of Pitta, Drava Gunam of Pitta are very important to understand these concepts. Sodium, potassium, they all come under Lavana, but potassium, the property is different. Sodium, it is different. Sodium produces more sofa, more kapavritti, more retention. In Kamala, we treat Pitta first. Pittam is Snigdham. Drakshadi is also Snigdham. So we will not start Kamala Chikitsa with Drakshadi. We will start with the Tiktarasa. Tiktarasam, Ruksha Virejanam, Padola Muladi, Padola Kaduro Vinyadi, Nimbattogadi, Vasa Guduchadi. After Tikta Shodhana, then Tikta Samana, Guduchadi, Shadangam. Then Madhurasa, Drakshadi, Mridvigadi. Kashayarasam, there is no role in Kamala Chikitsa. Pitta in Pitta Vada Avastha, Madhurarasam is given. Vada Pitta, Madhurarasam. So, Drakshadi plays a major role. Madhu, Siddha, Laja, Sakra has to be added. Aromatic purpose with the Jadimalli has to be done in a kumbham. Making medicine, 30 medicines are enough to practice. If you teach the Ayurvedic student community to make the 30 medicines properly with proper drugs, Ayurveda will improve. Now there are very good doctors, very good teachers, very good understanding, very good Shastra Pada, but medicines, how do you know Shundi given is not extracted or first quality, second quality? Whether it is trained in the college? That is the biggest problem. I have been practicing for 24 years. Around 6 to 7 lakhs cases I have treated. The greatest problem is now medicines. Make medicines properly. I prepared Shantarana. 1 kilo, 12,000 rupees. It is very costly. Adivadayam, very costly. Kadagarogani, very costly. So, if you do not make some additional is available, some very cheap 700 rupees also people may sell. If you buy from some companies, how do you know they have added? My father, my grandfather and my Guru Dr. B. Vaidyanathan made their medicine until the last day they practiced. They did not allow any of these rappers to come inside. My Guru Vaidyanathan said, Pongo, Poidundo, go out. He prepared his own medicine. That's very important. We tell company A is B, B is better, company V is better, company H is better. State of mind. It is state of mind. When you give 4 medicines, how do you know which is acting? Sattachadadi Kashayam. Kashaya Rasam Kinchit Madhura Rasam. Tikta Kashaya Madhura Rasam. That means Pitta Samanam. Sida Viyam, Kapa Samanam, Pitta Samanam, Rukshavanam, slightly Virejanam, Granagaram. Sattachada, Ushira, Padola, Musta, Haridegi, Kadagaroni, Estimedu, Arapada, Sandana. Now the very good Kashayas. Peptic ulcer, cancers, oral ulcer, oral cancers, gingivitis, stomatitis, herpes, oral herpes, for gargling with the Gairika Vasmam, Trifalagalpam, honey, for conduction, for internal use. Very good medicine. You have to prepare it properly. Adimadram is also there slightly. Suppose you get a Crohn's disease. Sthanika dosham is Vayu, Agantaka dosham is Pitta, Vadapitta Samanam is Madhura Rasa. Madhuram is not having Vrunaromana property. So you cannot select Madhura Rasa directly in the case of Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis or solitary rectal ulcer syndrome. So you will be selecting Kashaya Rasa, you will be selecting Arakvadavi, Negrodhavi, Shonitastamanam. First they are Kashaya Rasa. Because of the Kashaya Rasa there will be Vadavritti. Then you have to give Madhura Rasa, Vranagara in nature. Very few drugs are Madhura Rasa, Vranagara in nature, that is Eshtimadu and Grida. Then you give Eshtimadu Grida, Anuvasana Vasti, and it can be given internally also. So with that, Saptasadadi Kashayam is very effective. Kanasagadi Kashayam, Chikitsa Manjari, Tikta Kashaya Gadadasam, Ushnaviyam, Kapavada Samanam. Kalasagam 6 part, Haridagi 4 part, Shundi 2 parts. 3 yogas contains calculations based on grammar, poetry and other parameters. Nayavayam, Amrudottaram and Kalasagadi. The Upama Sandala are there in Ayurveda. It's a very, in diary also we give, it produces Gragi effect. Haridagi should produce Anulomana. But I have seen this producing Gragi. Lactose intolerance, pancreatitis, gluten enteropathy, celiac disease, Kapha-Karani spectrum of disorders. So it is a Vichitra Pratyarabdha Yoga. Prakriti Samasamavayam, Vikriti Vishma Samavayam, Vichitra Pratyarabdham. I hope you remember all these things. Given in non-ulcer dyspepsia, gluten enteropathy, that is celiac disease. When you take wheat, you get a pasty motion. Oats, pasty motion. Lactose intolerance, milk allergy, chronic pancreatitis, stone, diabetes, elevated amylase, lipase, calculus cholecystitis, gastroenteritis, amoebic colitis, food poison, fatty liver, dyslipidemia, then Kaidariadi, Nagaram 1 part, Kaidarium 3 part, Podalam 4 part, Haridagi 4 part. Here it is a little bit Virajana in nature. Kalasagadi and Kaidariadi are different. Mild Virajanam property. There is a difference between Kalasagadi and Kaidariadi. One is Grahi, another one is mild Virajana. Amrudottaram. Amruda 6 parts, Haridagi 4 parts, Shunti 4 parts. 2 parts. Amrudam Vadaraktakana Akray Aushada. Haridagi Anulomana Aushada. Shunti Amavadana Aushada. Agnidivanam Anulomanam Vadaraktakana. Amrudottaram. Vadaraktam Amrudottaram. Psoriasis Amrudottaram. Migraine headache Amrudottaram. Fatty liver Amrudottaram. Fever, Amrudottaram. Wide spectrum, wonderful medicine. Here also what is Nagam, all these things, we will have it in another occasion. Conditions, all inflammatory arthritis, rheumatoid, rheumatic cases are very less nowadays. Psoriatic arthropathy, people write ASO. And some people start penicillin in modern medicine. When there is no cardiac problem, when ESR is normal, CRP is normal, ASO is positive, then penicillin. It is not like that. Resistant migraine, Prakshevam, Sarkara, told by Sahasra Yoga. Ashtavargam, Padidiktarasam, Ushnaviriyam, Kavavadaganam, Avaranaganam, Palasakadara, Sundirasana, Suratramam, Sasinduvara Lasuna, Ashtavargo, Anilavaha. Infarction, carotid atherosclerosis, motor neuropathy, cerebellar ataxia, Bell's palsy, trigeminal neuralgia, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, MND. Palasudi you can read in the book, you can read my Sahasra Yoga where I have interpreted the Sanskrit words into beautiful English words. When I translated Mahadiktagam, word Gulmam, I didn't translate because I cannot translate Gulmam and Udavartam. I kept as it is, Gulmam as it is. Udavartam as it is. But when Visarpam came, I have written vesiculo-bullous lesions like cellulitis, herpes, etc. Like that I have translated. So it is not just modern. Studying Ayurveda properly for so many years. Then understanding modern clinical methods. How to examine a patient. Then coming to Ayurveda again. And again reading Ayurveda. Then I started reading Siddha. That is how I developed my career. Modern means not writing paracetamol. That we don't do. We don't encourage also. Modern is the knowledge of modern. Beautiful signs, beautiful reflexes, murmurs. How can you practice without all these things? I feel sorry for people who do not know clinical medicine. I feel pity for them. Discogenic root pain, cervical spondylosis, radiculopathy, cervical myelopathy. Prasaramyadi you should give in to your end. Kshira Kashaya, Guru Kashaya, Agni Jivana. After Agni Jivana you have to give. Rasna, Sundhyadi, Varnadi, Ashtavarkam, Bhadradarvadi in the first phase. Prasaramyadi, Urdu, Tatra, Vikaresh, Nisi in the second phase. Sakataradi Dailam, Kshirabala Dailam can be given. Nisha Katagadi, Tikta Kashayarasam, Ushnaviriyam, Pitta Kavakaram, Medovaram, Leganam, Pittanavanda Pramekagaram. Pre-diabetes, diabetes in obey, diabetic neuropathy, diabetic nephropathy, diabetic retinopathy. Nephropathy and retinopathy in long time is I have found is very effective. Now the question is, you call prameham or madhumeham as diabetes, we check fasting sugar, BP sugar, HbA1c, etc. Then we tell Nisha Kadagadi is good in diabetes. Kadagadi is good in diabetes, Nirurayadulya is good in diabetes, Nishamalagi is good in diabetes, Shilajit is good in diabetes, Shivamulya is good in diabetes, Vasanta Kusumaram is good in diabetes, Abra Santuram is good in diabetes, Trivankavasma is good in diabetes. Whether you have to diagnose a case as prameha and to do a Iti sarva vigara vigara bhava bhava pradivishesha abhinirvartiki bhavanti hetu yuktaka, understanding that you have to do that, or because of the fault practical demanding situation produced by the patient, diagnosing through modern parameters and giving this Nisha Kadagadi. This is debatable. We all experienced Vaidya should sit together. Whether you are treating prameha or whether you are treating diabetes, I do both based on the avastha, need and my intuition and experience. Some conditions I treat like there will not be any sugar, but prameha lakshana will be there. Sthulan, Krishan, Raktamegam, Pishtamegam. I have diagnosed and treated without touching any modern concepts. In some conditions, I have checked blood sugar and incorporated modern views into Ayurvedic practice. It is true that retinopathy will come. It is true that neuropathy will come. It is true that microangiopathy will come. So then you cannot ignore that. There is a doctor, Shuddha Ayurveda doctor. Hypertension. She told there is no condition called hypertension. Whole world is talking. Menopause. There is nothing called menopause in Ayurveda. I told, what is this? There is hypertension, everybody. Harrison, is he a fool? Davidson, is he a fool? So we have to understand how to put a samprati for hypertension. I asked him if it is Vada Samana, Vada Pradhanya, Gandharvastadi, Vaishvanara should help. If it is Pitta Pradhanya, Drakshadi, Avipati Churnam, Panchagantha Churnam with the Ksheeravala should help. If it is Kama Pradhanya, Lasunam up to some extent helps. Varunadi should help. If you give all these things and if your pressure is not coming down, you say it is not a vyadi because avyakta lakshanam desham budalinga vyadi. There is no lakshana. Prasanna varnendriyam indriyartha icchandam. Samadosha samakrisa samadada malakriya is there for the patient. So he need not be treated. Is it acceptable? We have to think about that. So these are all the things that exist. So this change from person to person, Vaidya to Vaidya, the guru from which you are learning. So some people use BP apparatus, some people check everything through Nadi. Purvadharma Vasana padi irukkum, Guru choli kuduthadu padi irukkum. Everything is good. Various styles. You have to honor all these styles. You cannot criticize one style. You cannot appreciate another style. Every style you should get good things. Kataka Gadiradi, Kashaya Diktarasam, Samasidosham, Kamabitta Samanam. Here they are telling only for 7 days. 7 days prameham, UTI it is effective, vaginal candidiasis it is effective. In non-diabetic person with prameha lakshana, honey can be given as a praksheva. Resonadi Kashayam or Rasonadi Kashayam. Rasonam Kalavi Krishnastara. West cardiac medicine, West Udavarta medicine, Kadarasam, Krishnaviriam, Pakavadaram, Padamama, Anulasam, Avaranadram, Udavartagaram, CVA, demyelination, transverse myelitis, Jalashirshakam, normal pressure hydrocephalus, Bell's palsy, PVD, anorexia, bloating, hiccup, IHD, atherosclerosis. Now Arishtam and Asavam. Okay, with this we conclude today's session. We will continue again because it is a series of classes. We will continue to meet you and share our knowledge. If you want me to talk any specific topic, you can send messages. We will cover that also. It's a free program. Anybody can participate. Whatever I know, I will teach you. Whatever I do not know, I will tell you. Students are requested to come and learn clinical medicine. Sakasura Yogam and other lot of books were written. You are advised to read that, and lots of videos are uploaded in last 10 days. We will inform you about the classes. I am touched by the love and affection given by students. I bow to you all. I pray for you. All the best.